Why don't we wander over and talk about soybeans for a second? That's another one that's been affected all year long, obviously, with China, what's been happening with trade. It's also been very interesting to kind of take a look at it when we don't have a ton of fundamental news. We have had as of late, but right now things are kind of quiet as we wait for the USDA report on Friday. So what are we doing? We don't really have anything fundamentally to look at. Well, we'll go to technicals. And if you kind of play around with what we've seen over the last 6 months, there is a trend line support down below. It's significantly down below, but the only reason I want to bring that up, I'm not trying to be a Debbie Downer. I don't want to see beans go lower, but you need to know where you're going to start to see some action if we get some, say, adverse numbers from the USDA. So we had a nice rally here. There was some big covering last week. The funds are finally out, and a lot of the reason that we were higher was the funds had to get out, and they did. And when they go to buy their shorts back, right, that's this new buying that comes into the market, and that's been a large reason why we've seen some of these gains as of late. So now they're out. Got to take a deep breath and think, okay, where are the new buyers going to be coming from? And I guess that's the feeling, because you kind of can tell the tension in the air a little bit because of this USDA report we have on Friday about where are the new buyers going to be coming from? Where are we going to get these new customers to buy this contract, right? And that's going to be something that all the traders are thinking, because the nervousness is remember, all last year in 2019, we had the USDA wrong-footing us all the time, right? That's something we talk about in the trade. We were always kind of wrong-footed on each one of these big reports because we were feeling like things were going to be going one way, and the USDA told us that, no, that was a head fake, everything's gone the other. So the tension is palpable. And we've seen the funds get out. They were the ones that were short and kind of drove the market, or cannibalized themselves on the way out as they drove that market higher with their buying to cover their shorts. So where's the new long going to come from? I think that's what the trade's thinking about as we go into this USDA report on Friday.